Guys, I parked the Porsche outside because the white 993 is going to be arriving any time now.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm waiting for the 911 to arrive. I got these cool Porsche posters I've had in here forever. I want to hang them on the wall somewhere. I don't have the RS, but I do have a 3.6 liter 993. It's about to be dropped off. Narrow body, Carrera 2, but it's got the RS front splitter and the RS tail. I'm excited. It should be here any minute. I'm pacing back and forth. Oh look, rich dad, poor dad. No, actually I gotta start the bathtub because I gotta give the baby a bath. But the Porsche is gonna arrive any second. The guy's somewhere around my neighborhood with a huge tractor trailer, and he's gotta take it off in a parking lot, and he's gonna drive it down here to my house. We just did baby bath time. So we're cutting it kind of close because we got to put her to bed too. Still waiting for the 993 to arrive, and now I'm cleaning up the baby mess. And they're watching Pippi Longstocking. Cooking tons of food, and then we got dishes to do. But I want this 993 to hurry up and get here. He just texted me. He said he's 4 minutes away. He said somebody lost a jet ski on the highway. Holy cow, I bet that was wild. Alright guys, I'm going to the 992. He's going to be here any minute. I want to see if I got the meta glasses in here. Yes, I do. You never know, he might have like 10 cars to get off before he gets this one off. He's parked in a parking lot about 15 minutes from me, walking distance. And he said he's going to try to drive the car over. Yeah, perfect. Dude, that smell. No, the smell and the sound of the door closing. You know what I'm talking about on these?
It's like G-Wagon.
Yeah, it's just something cool about it. I know, you are too. You're bigger than me, dude.
I don't feel that way.
I think you're bigger than me. Alright, not fat-wise, I'm saying like, we're husky.
Yeah,
like two husky boys in here.
Dude. That's for sure.
I forget, the clutch is weird in these because they come from the floor.
Dude, it's so far.
Oh my god, this short shifter is so nice. Oh, this thing, you don't see these on the road. Like, you don't see these around here.
Oh, dude, did you feel it?
Yeah. They almost felt like a chirp second gear kind of.
Yeah, it did.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm just pumped because I got the 993 back. It does feel definitely more planted than the...
So I just kind of, I'd have parked out of the way.
Thanks,
so
man,
like
for doing that.
Behind there.
Yeah, thanks for doing that. You definitely need the AC down here.
Oh, for
I mean,
sure.
for, you know, like, it does feel good. It feels cold.
So yeah, I just parked here, offloaded, and then I moved my...
Alright guys, we're back on the streets in the 993. I'm feeling refreshed. I'm feeling like I right my wrongs. And I honestly have no regrets whatsoever thinking that I would miss the wide body in the C2S. None at all. I'm loving this thing. I'm loving this Pfister short shifter. But I can't film a whole bunch of videos tonight because I gotta get back, because I gotta get the kids to sleep. My wife actually has to go somewhere, and I'm running short on time. And I got no tag on the back of this, but I have the registration. I got the temp tag. Oh man, best decision I ever made. Can't put a number on this, I'm telling you. You can't put a number, a value on this type of fun and feeling. Don't get bit by the Porsche bug. You're gonna regret it. Check out the 996 style steering wheel. A guy out of Dallas, Texas did this for him. I didn't think I was gonna like it, I'll be honest. I was gonna change it to the factory one. But I'm really liking it actually. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm so happy. You have no idea. I love it. I really, really love it. I'm telling you. I gotta get inside and get the kids to sleep. I didn't close the door all the way. I just want to film a video of it real quick. Man, I love it. I thought I was going to change the side markers back to orange. I thought I was going to change the steering wheel back to factory. I thought I was going to get a different, maybe Not maybe put the stock bumperettes on the front bumper. I'm not doing anything to it. I love it. Man, I really, really like it. I kind of see now what people are talking about. The narrow body is great. Don't sleep on the narrow body. If you can save the money and get into the 993 world, it might be your way in. The fun short. They're real behind the scenes. Packaged up this meat and I gotta put my kids to sleep. I still got the car in the driveway. I just pray the baby doesn't wake up. Alright guys, I came back outside. I'm gonna put the temp tag on it. The kids are asleep. Guys, I got the car in the garage. I got most of the parts out of the car, and the driver, him and I have been writing back and forth, and he's a cool dude. My son and him have the same name, but he sent me a video and some pictures right before he delivered this car. He delivered an RWB, so check it out. I'm gonna throw it up on the screen. Thing's awesome looking. Son and I are going to go cruise real quick in the 993. He's going to drive it. So this steering wheel is actually a 996 style steering wheel. A company in Dallas, Texas wrapped it for the guy, did the leather work. And then it's got the Pfister short shifter. And we got the key on the left, classic Porsche. When I first got in, I forgot because I'm so used to like the actual key.